Hey everyone, A0 here. So I've had the 12.9-inch iPad for a while now, and I've been against getting a Magic Keyboard because they're pretty expensive. But the more I use them, the more I thought, with the size and everything, it would be nice to have a keyboard for this one. I do have an 11-inch and a mini also, which are a lot better with the digital keyboard, but with this bigger one, a keyboard accessory would be nice. So decided to go ahead and pick one up. I did get a Amazon renewed one, so it's not from Apple, and it's like half the cost of a brand new one. So that definitely helped me decide to go ahead and pick one up. So let's go ahead and unbox it and connect it to the iPad. Especially with center stage, or not center stage, but the compatibility to have external monitor support made me really decide to take advantage of it and get a Magic Keyboard. That way I can, when I connect an external keyboard or monitor, I can have that work on the external monitor with Stage Manager and things. Because without a keyboard and mouse attached to your iPad, it just mirrors the iPad screen like it used to do. It doesn't like make an extension of your desktop to the monitor. So I went ahead and got one of these. If you're curious about the price, it was a little under $200. With tax, it was over $200. On Amazon's website, it was one of the Amazon renewed ones in really good shape, it says. So I went ahead and got it, and there's a little bit of hairs on it or something. But otherwise it looks like it's in pretty good shape. I don't see any damage or anything. And so if you're ever curious about how it comes with Amazon renewed, this is how it looks. It looks like it's in really good shape, so that's great. Little scuff there. Oh, never mind, but it comes off. All right. Cool. Oh, and there's the booklet for it. Magic Keyboard, instructions, things of that nature. Looks like that all comes out, but that's it. That's in there. So one of the other reasons I really wanted the Magic Keyboard in particular over other keyboards that are less expensive, because there are other options out there that aren't Apple made, is that you have the extra USB port for power. So I really like that. Just give you an extra port, since the iPads only come with one USB port. And here's my iPad. I need to take it out of the case first, so I can put it into the Magic Keyboard. Just attach it like that, and bada bing. Very clicksy. Nice. That opened up. So yeah, there you go. Every keyboard is activated and it's working just by attaching it like that. It's backlit from what I understand, which is also no function keys, but I see why, because it would be kind of right underneath floating iPad. And here's so many good things about the keyboard, and it does feel quite nice. The trackpad, first impressions. So you get a little thing to show you kind of where your mouse is. Nice. There's 3. You get to the home screen. I guess I just. Yeah, there you have it. Unboxing the Apple Magic Keyboard, refurbished one from Amazon renewed, like new shape. It looks really good shape. So I'm glad it is, and I'm glad I got it, because saved a lot of money. Because brand new off Apple's website, these are $350. It's a great accessory, but that's quite a bit of money. I mean, you can get the iPad 9 for that money, things like that. But I mean, the new keyboard for the iPad 10 is like $250. So I mean, these iPads and keyboards that they make in general are pretty pricey, but everybody says they're so good, so I'm excited to try it out and test it out. It is nice that it connects right away and it just works. I love that. That's why it's good to get Apple official um, accessories, just for the ease of use like that. And it also doubles as a case. Kind of just do that. And only thing I don't like, which a lot of people point out also, is there's no protection really for the pencil, the Apple Pencil, but I mean, it sticks pretty decently. I'm flicking it kind of hard, so it almost came off there. I heard it, but yeah. So it's not a huge deal unless you're taking it out a lot, but that's another reason why I decided to go ahead and get one, because I got the smaller iPad because I don't really like taking this one out too much. I do notice it is a lot heavier with this on it, but if I'm gonna have it in the house anyway, it's not as big of a deal, to me to keep that on there. So you can't bend it further back than this, but as far as looking angles, that's pretty good. And here, that's where it kind of goes, where you close it to this. And it's supposed to be really lappable. We'll try that later, but just wanted to unbox it real quick and kind of show you guys how easy it is to set up. I thought I might have to go into settings or something, but yeah, just pop it on, good to go. Thanks for watching. Have a good one, everyone.